Hi everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use dark theme in Gmail. So the first thing you do is this, you can see the theme at the background here. It's just what not really that dark. I want to use a complete black. So I want the dark theme. Well, how do I do this? Click on the gear icon and click on see your settings, and then you click on theme. So this is the last option up here. Then click on set theme. Now you have to pick a theme that's really dark. Now you can see you can use a solid color black. So click on it as a dark theme. As you can see, click on save dark theme. Another one again I can use that. You can also click on set theme again. I'm to show you another one. You don't use a solid color, you can use a brown mahogany color. Then you can also use this one, terminal. So it looks like a dark theme. So click on save. You can see this thing blinking here. That's really different. I think it looks like a dark theme too. So that is how to use dark themes in Gmail. Hope you find it helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.